Lovely and nice. So basically, guys, I'm gonna be making you a very healthy green smoothie. All right. I've been doing a lot of green juice. You know what I mean? Because of quarantine and all them things, we have to make a lot of green juice at home. All right. Now, first thing, what I'm going to do is got some water. I'm gonna put half cups of water inside of my blender, and I'm gonna put some spinach, roughly good 2 handful of spinach. Also, I'm gonna put some fresh mint, nice lovely stalk of fresh mint. If you got some lemon, why not use some lemon? I'm gonna simple remove the skin from the lemon. And I'm gonna be using roughly about half in the side of it. Now I got some fresh ginger. Lovely. I'm gonna simple cut a nice little piece of the fresh ginger straight inside of it. Alright. Got some celery over here. Gonna put that straight inside of it, just like that. Beautiful. Now, the thing is, I have green apple, and I love my green apple. I got some ice. I'm gonna put some ice just to give it a lovely cool down. Tablespoon of honey, and we are very good to go. Nice one. That's it. That was beautiful. That was a lovely blending, guys. Honestly, it's fantastic. Now what I'm gonna do is just simple pour that beautiful green smoothie. Look at this, an amazing recipe. Look at that, guys. That is fantastic. Really amazing. If you like the recipe, please subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright, I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe.